Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Facebook password if you forget. So first of all, open Facebook. Look at the right corner, tap onto three line, scroll down, click on settings. Select the password and security, but not showing here to this option. So go back, open Gmail, click on to profile icon, Google account, swipe left to right side, click on security, click on manage password, select Facebook. Now shown here your Facebook username and password. Just click on to eye icon, then shown here to your password. So that's how you can easily see your Facebook password if you forget. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.